Here is another how to not wire an electrical outlet. There was an electrical outlet on here and it was busted, so of course I'm going to change it. But this box is too shallow for the amount of wire that's going to be in here. And they didn't put a box connector down here on the bottom. So that allows the box to cut into the wires, causing a shortage and possibly burning the house down. Never do this. Always put something in there to protect those wires. Now this one you don't have to put a box connector on it because you punch it out and it's designed to not need one. Whereas that metal box is designed to need one. So I got these out and notice they took the bare wire and cut it off instead of connecting it to the rest of the bare wires. That's another thing you do not do. This is a receptacle outlet. Because this one is missing the bare wire, then the grounded lug on the next receptacle in line will not have a connection. See it right there sticking out. It's been cut off. So I've got to fix that too. Now if you're able to look closely, some of these are 12 gauge and some of them are 14 gauge. That's another thing you don't do. However, I have this entire house that all the little fuses, and it is fuses in this house, all the screw and fuses have been changed to 15 amp. So everything is 15 amp. Even if it has a 12 gauge wire, because I don't know how this person wired this house. So I did them all at 15 amp. So I'm not too worried about that. Normally that would be a no-no. However, some of those fuses I've actually put back in breakers, resettable screw-in breakers. When I moved into this house, some of those were 30 and 25 amp, and that is definitely a bad thing to do. You put in 30 amp and 25 amp fuses on 14 gauge wire when you want to burn the house down.